welcome back to my channel. My name is Kristen and welcome if this is your first time stopping by. So today's video is going to be the biggest reason that I broke my spending freeze, and I was planning on waiting till the end of March, but I could not pass this up. I haven't opened it yet. It was delivered a few days ago. I've been waiting to open it with you guys on camera, so I am super excited for this video. If you like unboxing videos, give this video a thumbs up, and if you like videos like this, please hit that subscribe button. I do a lot of these on my channel, so you'd like it if you just hit that button. So I'm going to try to make this video as short and sweet as possible, so if you are excited about this video, then keep on watching. So last week I was in quarantine, or as in the shelter-in-place sort of situation, just like this week. And it's given me a little bit of cabin fever, I'm not gonna lie, and I've done a lot of online shopping, or at least online searching for things that I don't actually need. But I came across this and there was no way that I was going to pass this up, and you guys will know exactly why. So in this lovely box that I'm opening next to me, this usually includes a specific type of tissue paper that you guys would probably recognize, but for some reason, it is not in here. But I am so excited to reveal the new Dooney and Bourke mini dog backpack. So let's open this up. So here's the new backpack. This is a perfect mini backpack. I was so excited to see this, and what caught my eye about this particular backpack, it is actually the Disney original Dooney and Bourke sort of pattern, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So this is my first ever Dooney and Bourke Disney crossbody, and as you guys can see, it has that white background with the balloons and the characters and all of the fun coloring. It's the original, I think it's like a pebbled leather, and it has the red interior. This is a crossbody, but I took the strap off. This is my prized possession, my most favorite Disney bag purchase that I ever made, and when I saw that they came out with the dog version of the same sort of idea, I could not pass it up. So lucky me, I did get a pattern with Doug right front and center, which you guys know is a huge thing for me. I had no idea, like, I was looking at the dimensions, I was trying to determine like if this is going to be smaller or around the same size as one of the Disney backpacks with the ears, and it is a little bit smaller, but I think it can fit the same amount of stuff. I'm super excited. I know this probably won't fit like Disney ears, so you would need one of those like ear clips on it, but this would be perfect to wear around the parks. So let's open this up and see what the layout is. So first you get a front zip pocket. It's pretty narrow, but let's see if it'll fit my phone. It'll fit your phone, but won't be able to zip it up, I don't think. So it kind of fits your phone, but not really. I feel like I'd probably more use this pouch for like a little mini wallet, so it's easy to grab, or something that's not super essential. The straps are obviously adjustable by a little, kind of like a drawstring. I can't remember what exactly that kind of belt sort of pulley style is called. The tan has the blue outline, which I really, really like that touch. It also has a little pocket in the back here, which this pocket could probably fit your phone. Yeah, this pocket in the back can fit your phone in here. This also similar to the big backpack that I have, the layout with that sort of pocket. So you have your main pocket with the red interior, the back zip pocket. There is also another little pocket up here in the front that's just good for like quick access items, and you of course get your little key ring attachment. So I'm not gonna lie, I have seen so many different Dooney and Bourke releases on Shop Disney lately, and a lot of them are really, really cute, but nothing has really like stuck out to me as something I absolutely needed. And when I saw this, there was just no going back. I knew I needed it. I knew that, first of all, the dog pattern in general is one of my favorites. I got Doug as many times as I freaking want on here. I'm so excited about that. And I love that he's right front and center. We got Stitch, Bolt, we got Nana, we got Max, we got Lady and Tramp, we got the castle, we got your little doodles all over, which is really, really cute. You also have Pongo and Perdita on the back. So you have almost every animal you could, like dog animal you could possibly think of, and that makes me so, so happy. So I really like the size of this. I'm actually surprised because I wasn't sure if I was going to love the size or not. And I was really hoping it would be a size that I could definitely use. And this is obviously one of the cutest things I could have ever gotten. I'm so excited. If you guys can tell behind me, I have been redoing my little background. I'm working on it. It's a project. But this is definitely going to be displayed back there when I'm not using it, so you guys will see this beautiful bag all the time. But I just wanted to do a quick unboxing and give you guys my first impressions, because I honestly, like, I didn't know what to expect. I saw it on the website and I knew I wanted it, but I was like, I don't know, like, do I need it? Do I not need it? Am I gonna break my spending freeze from this or not? And I definitely did. It was totally worth it. Just so you guys have an idea, it actually does not tell me what the total of this was, but I believe this was like $258, I want to say. It was on the higher end of Dooney and Bourke bags, but it is so beautiful. I'm so excited. I hope you guys liked this little quick unboxing. I know that this video is going to be super short and you guys are going to be like, well, I mean, whatever, but I just knew that you guys will just be as excited for me as I am, so I wanted to share it with you. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you liked this video, again, please give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below. I would love for you guys to join my family here on YouTube. If you like more videos like this, I make plenty of them, so stick around with my channel and you will see a lot of really great content. Thank you guys for spending your day with me. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day and have a good one. Bye guys!